Hey y'all, so today what we're doing while my kids are in school, we're going to take our two 50-pound golden doodles to the dog wash. Let's go. First of all, I'm gonna go load this up. It's my own little dog blow dryer because I don't want to have to pay more money to use theirs. Next, I'm gonna bring some of these towels so my husband doesn't kill me when I get their paws all over his truck seat. Let's grab their leashes. You ready? You wanna go take a bath? Huh? You can take a bath? Let's get these towels in here. I can guide you. Okay, come on. Let's go. Good girl. Come on. Here you go. Let's go for a ride. Are you ready to have a bath? Is he washing his car? Dad, you're first. Go. There's a good girl. You ready to go? Sit. Ugly, sit. Oh, did it? Did it make you nervous? What? Excuse me. What are you doing? Okay, I just finished. It took me a little over 30 minutes, which for two 50-pound dogs, I feel like that's not bad. Do you guys have fun? I love the fact that it doesn't dirty my bathroom. I can bring them here and I don't have to like break my back trying to wash them. And it was like $5 for 8 minutes, which I also don't feel like that's bad at all. So let's go home, see what I can get done. Right now it's 10 o'clock, so I have about 2 hours until it's time to go get the kiddos.